We've made it, brother. On the River Thames, we've got the boat full up, and we've made it. Anyone that didn't believe in us, I tell you one thing now. We made it. You feel me? What do you reckon, brother? How do you feel?
We're good, mate.
Bit of boat race, bit of sun, bit of community, sailing down the Thames. Who would have thought? Do you know what I mean?
Said hello to our honey bun.
Honey bun's over there, mates. And the lazy taking me home.